Hey guys, ever wondered how to make your friends or family members' photo pop up in full screen whenever they call you? Not just a tiny little circle photo, but a big full screen one that looks way cooler? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to set a full screen caller photo on Samsung phones and pretty much any Android device. Let's go! So first, there's something you need to do before adding the full screen photo. You have to move your contacts from the SIM card to your phone's storage, otherwise you won't get that option. Here's how. Open the phone app, then go to Contacts at the bottom. Tap the three dots on the top right corner, then choose Contact Settings. Next, tap Move Contacts to Other Storage Location. Pick the SIM card where your contacts are stored. Select the contacts you want to move. I usually just pick all of them. Then choose Phone as the new storage. Tap Move, and wait a few seconds until it's done. Now that your contacts are saved on the phone, you can set the full screen photo. Just pick the contact you want, preferably the one who calls you the most. Tap the Info button, then choose Edit. From there, tap Create Profile Card. Select Gallery. Pick any photo you want and adjust it. Zoom in, zoom out, whatever looks good. You can also customize the text. Change the font, make it bold, or even play with the color of the contact's name. Once you're done, hit Preview to see how it looks when someone calls you. If you like it, just tap Done and you're all set. And that's it. Next time that person calls, their face will take over your whole screen. It looks way better and honestly more personal than just the small icon. So what do you think? Pretty cool, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and share this with your friends so their caller screens can look cool too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.